Okay guys, it's Yaaaaaaaaaa. I have my figure of Megalon by Bandai. So yeah, he's very nice in figure and detail. He's got some glares on him because, well, yeah. So here is, I don't really have any of my figures actually to show because, well, this is my tallest figure. Well, not my tallest, but my tallest, like, I guess 9-inch scale. So yeah, but here he is. If you want to put him with Mechagodzilla, doesn't look well. Nope, not good. Well, I don't really know. But, so yeah. It has, his mouth is open. Well, you can't really see inside, but I'm not going to bring the flashlight. So yeah, articulation. Well, starting with his head, it'll move like this. Wait, it's kind of hard. So yeah, it'll move like that. But I'm not going to break it because it's like really good figure. So yeah, the hands, they move up. See, the reason they stop here is because the back. And, well, you could try pushing it all the way, but this part is going to get scruffy. So yeah, this part too, same thing. And also the legs, see? So yeah, that's how it goes on Megalon. Here we've got the foot, Bandai. Yeah, this is Bandai Japan 19. I can't really read it that good. And here's the other. So yeah, they made it like a costume look. So the figure is like, it goes like this, like how the nails were in the movie. But then when you turn it like this, it's flat. But you get like a weird rubber thing. There's only one issue I have with the figure, and that is, wait, let me show profile. See the antenna. This antenna is supposed to be all the way like doing like that. So if you watch Godzilla 73, he has the X Plus of this, and well, the X Plus, it's good. Yeah. But you can tell the antenna goes up all the way. So yeah, this figure is very good. So yeah, here's the eye. You want to see, look? The eye of the figure. Oh, my iPad isn't really good. But yeah, it's got the whole bug look on it. Sorry, I'm sick. So it's got like 2 toenails here, and also it has, well, let me just show. Here's the tail. It's really short. I don't think it's supposed to be that short, like maybe that big, but I think it's good. Here they've got 3 spikes, and then this, and then it goes on the wing. Tail doesn't have articulation. So they've got, like, yeah. So basically, it's like, I guess he's supposed to be some kind of bug. I can't really predict what he's going to be. Like, what is he? I'm guessing a moth. Well, no, because it's Mothra. I think like some mutated cockroach with wings. I don't know what these are supposed to be. I guess feathers here. And this thingy too, I don't know what that is. See, it goes from there all the way down. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do a comparison, which I did already. You just saw it. Here's Mechagodzilla. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me just move my iPad. Okay. So yeah. Here you've got Mechagodzilla and Megalon. Sorry, they're building my cousin's house here still. Or they're living in it. So, Mechagodzilla and Megalon. I don't have Gigan. I put him in America. I do have I have two versions of. Well, here, let me just show the Godzilla 1971 or 1968 version. But I already reviewed him. So here they are. I have the version of Gigan, but I lost him on accident. So, I know, I'm ashamed. So here they are. Mechagodzilla has more points of articulation. Well, for some reason, Megalon is like much fatter. I don't know if this is a bootleg. I don't know. So, also, if you guys know how to take off scuffs, I have just a tiny scuff on his head. But that's okay. So yeah, gotta go. Bye.